Hello friends, welcome back to your English class. Today we will learn the skill of making classified advertisements. First of all, we will discuss in general the types of advertisement and its uses. Then we will study how to make classified advertisements. Classified advertisements are specially known for its being published in the newspaper in the classified columns. You must have seen such kind of columns in the newspaper. Advertising is a type of communication whereby people promote or persuade customers to utilize their services. This is the general definition of advertisement writing. There are two types of advertisements. First of all, classified and then display advertisement. For display advertisements, I have already uploaded a video and I will give you a link of that video in the description. You can go there and learn this art of making display advertisement. So let us learn classified advertisements here. These are named because they are classified into different types of categories depending on their functions in a dedicated classified column. There is a special column in the newspaper which is shown here in the picture as well. Column in the newspaper with the name, with the same title, classifieds. These are advertisements used by general masses to promote or use their services. They are generally text-based advertisements. There is no picture or any diagram or any detailed description given in the advertisement, where newspaper agencies generally charge on the number of words used. So you can very well imagine that there is no place for precise English sentences here, and the only concern is to get things noticed with as minimum words as possible. So the ultimate aim is to give full detail in very short minimum words. To talk about its format is very simple. Here only two parts are. First is the title, heading, and second one the detail, content part. This is the format for classified advertisement. Lastly, we have to make this box over this advertisement text. Let us discuss the marking scheme. The question is of 4 marks concerning your CBSE examination point of view. 1 mark is for heading and it should be in capital letters only. 2 marks are for content part and 1 mark is for expression with certain grammatical factors. An important note is given in the marking scheme issued by CBSE that classifieds should be enclosed in a box. So you should ensure at the end that you are making a box over the classified advertisement. What is the word limit about the answer? Classified ads should be very well covered in a range of around 50 words only. Marks will be deducted if the student jumps over the word limit. So exercise caution in this regard. We should take care the word limit, otherwise we will have to face the music and marks will be deducted for exceeding the word limit. Now we will discuss the types of classified advertisements. After analysis of the newspaper in hand, you will realize that there are several types of classified advertisements on the basis of their purpose. Some of them are as follows. These are very important topics or types of classified ads concerning your CBSE examination point of view. First is situation vacant, then to let, then comes sale and purchase of a property, vehicle or goods or other things. Then comes promotional advertisements of educational institutes. Then comes the missing persons advertisements, advertisements of tour and travels, and lastly matrimonials. These are the 7 important types. Now we will discuss each of them one by one. First is situation vacant advertisement. They will always begin with wanted or required, name of the organization, number of vacancies, the name of the post, age and gender. All these things should be mentioned in your content part. Then comes qualification. Qualification, required experience needed for the post, what will be the pay scale and other facilities, the mode of applying, by email or by post. Then comes lastly your contact address or phone number. So these are the things you should mention in the content part. But remember always that the topic, the title will be situation vacant. So this is a sample answer I have prepared for you for the post of a PA or stenographer. The title will be situation vacant. Then in the box we will write the content part. We will start with wanted, a smart, confident PA stenographer for a leading export house. Qualification graduate, age 25 to 30 years, typing speed 40 words per minute, shorthand speed 100 words per minute, and preference to those who can handle computer. Salary negotiable. Negotiable means we will discuss in the personal meeting. Apply with complete biodata, latest by 20th December, and this address is given: Secretary, Orient Export House, Shantinagar, New Delhi. So this is the answer for the situation vacant classified advertisement. Then comes to-let advertisements. They will begin with wanted or available. If some house or property or the vehicle or something is to be let. Type of accommodation or condition of the vehicle or the details of the vehicle, or you can say details of the property to be let, should be given in very short and in detail. Expected rent should be there, and you should mention proximity to markets and also indicate whether it is sun facing, etc. If the plot is or the flat is sun facing or not. Contact address and phone number where the purchaser can, or the person who want to let can contact you. Here is an example. Accommodation wanted. Metals and Minerals Corporation of India needs suitable accommodation on rent. They want an accommodation on rent to be used as a guest house. It should be located in a posh area with excellent facilities, uninterrupted water and electricity, nearby market. Must owners please contact Mr. R. Lal, Executive Manager, and phone number is given here. So in this way you are to prepare the advertisements of a to-let. The third is sale and purchase of property or assets or vehicle or something else. The details we are to mention are, you are to begin with for sale or purchase, or if you want to purchase something, then wanted could be the initial word. Brief physical description should be given. So what kind of physical description? If some property is there, you should mention the number of floors, size, its number of rooms, location, surroundings, whether it is sun facing or not, how many types of number of balconies, and other things you can mention. If a vehicle is there, you should mention its color, model, accessories, its year of manufacturing, modifications if any, if you have made your vehicle modified, its expected price, mileage, and its physical condition. These are the things you should mention for a good kind of advertisement. Next comes household goods. If the sale purchase ad is of household goods, then you should mention the condition, price offered or expected. So these are the things you should mention in your sale purchase ad for making a good kind of advertisement. Let us see an example. The car Maruti 800 is for sale. So this advertisement has been prepared. Title will be for sale. Now here we will give the description. Available Maruti 800 LX year 99 model, self-driven, sparingly used, scratchless, stereo, air-conditioned, beautiful, upholstery, no expenses. These are the details of the vehicle. And lastly, the contact address is also mentioned here. If in question you have not been given the contact details, you can mention any phone number of your choice. The fourth kind of advertisement is educational institutions advertisements. In such kind of advertisements, the name of institution should be there, its past record, what are the achievements, the courses offered and their duration, eligibility criteria, and details of this is end actually, and details of admission test, if any, if there is an admission test, facilities and fee structure, scholarship information, last date of registration, and contact details. All such things should be mentioned. Here is an example. Educational institution IIFL announces the commencement of its courses in Japanese, French, German. Duration of course is 3 months. Eligibility, senior secondary. Excellent facility, computerized training. Incentives for early birds. Early birds means who are joining this institute early, they will be given some incentives. Send in your application by 1st of June 2012 or contact secretary on this number. So this is a sample for educational institutions advertisement. The fifth is advertisements for missing persons. So in such advertisements we should mention the brief physical description of the missing person, like height, his or her complexion, build, name, age, any health related issues if any about the missing person, the description of clothes, accessories or any other identifying feature, they should also be mentioned. You are to tell about the place where the person was last seen. Details of the reward. If any reward has been set by you, then you should mention it in the advertisement. And lastly, the contact details where the founder could contact you. Here is an example for missing person. A girl missing, the title will be missing. Girl missing, name is Priyanka Khanna, 12 years, 4 feet 3 inches. She is fair, slim built, wearing black t-shirt and blue jeans. Since 2nd of February 2012 from MG Road, Gurgaon. She speaks Hindi and English. Informers will be suitably rewarded. Inform MG Road Police Station. Phone number is this one. So this is a sample advertisement for a missing person. Last kind of classified is of tours and travels. In such advertisements, we should begin with the package available. What kind of packages are there of the tour and travel agency? Name of the agency, the destination where the tour package is decided, for which place it has been decided earlier, price and special discounts. If any discount is given, you should mention it. And lastly, the contact details and the phone number of the agency. These details should be given. Here, an example is prepared for you. Travels and tours, attractive packages available for Mauritius. 3 nights, 4 days, breakfast with and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included, rupees 9,999 per person. Special discount for early bookings, contact Star Travels. These are the contact details. The last type is matrimonials. They always begin with bride or groom wanted. Mention the qualification, physique, complexion, etc. as desired. What is your desire? What you want should mention. Give details of the bride or groom. The other partner should be mentioned in the advertisement in detail. Suppose you are seeking a bride for a groom, then you should mention the qualities which you want in a bride, and you should give the details of the groom as well in the advertisement. What he is doing or what his earning is, what his height, his complexion, all these details should be mentioned. His parentage, contact address and phone number should be given in the content part. Let us see an example. A bride is wanted here for a Brahmin boy. A fair 5 feet 6 inch minimum graduate Brahmin bride is wanted for an MBA boy. And his height is 5 feet 9 inches, fair, handsome. He is working in SBI bank as a PO, probationary officer. Salary 80,000 per month and settled in Delhi. Interested may please send biodata of the girl with full scale photograph. Full scale photograph is requested. Contact Mr. Nagendra Sharma, 20/4 Shine Apartments, New Delhi. This fictitious phone number is also mentioned. So in this way you can prepare your matrimonials in a beautiful way and you can score 4/4 marks in your answer. Now I am giving you some questions for your practice. These are all 6 questions and they are taken from the previous year's CBSE question papers of All India Senior School Certificate Examination. The first question is from 2015 paper. Your school, Akash Public School, Agra, needs a canteen manager. On behalf of the principal, write an advertisement in about 50 words. The word limit is given, to be published in classified columns. It is especially mentioned classified columns of the local daily. Local daily means a newspaper. Mention the educational and professional qualifications, other qualities required in the manager, who to apply to the last date for the receipt of the applications. So the details of the qualifications you are to prepare yourself, or the details are given. Second question is, you are Karan Kumar Karuna Bajaj, a leading lawyer practicing in Surat. You want to buy an independent house at City Light Road to be used as office cum residence. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the classified columns of a local newspaper. You can be contacted at this number. Your phone number is given. The question appeared in All India CBSE examination 2016. You have to prepare an advertisement for purchase of an independent house. Next question for practice is, which appeared in 2017 All India CBSE examination. You are Vikram Sonia, an electronics engineer who has recently returned from the US and looking for a suitable job in the IT industry. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words for the situations wanted column of a national newspaper. For this question, you must be well aware that this situation wanted column is a classified column. So you have to prepare a classified advertisement for requirement of a job in IT industry. Job required should be the title. Next is, you are Harish or Harshita of 12 Sevanagar. This is the address. 12 Sevanagar, Pune. You want to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the Pune Times. Pune Times. This is the newspaper name. Under the classified columns, you are to sell your flat. So the title will be Flat for Sale. Simply you are to prepare a sale and purchase advertisement. Next is, you are principal of National Public School, Jaipur. You require a TGT math for your school. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words for the situation vacant column of the National Times, stating essential and desirable qualifications, experience, etc. of the candidates. The question was asked in CBSE All India Examination 2019 Set 111. Last question is, you are Sutapa or Damodar, day of 22 Kaling Nagri, Bhubaneswar. You want to sell your car as you plan to buy a new one. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in a local newspaper in the classified columns. So these are the 6 questions for your practice. Students, I hope that you will prepare severely for your CBSE examination so that you may score high. This is all about classified advertisements. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.